When Michael Saylor stepped down as the CEO of MicroStrategy, many people, including other Bitcoin investors, speculated that his obsession for Bitcoin had ruffled the feathers of the software company's shareholders and executives. But the executive chairman still maintains a lot of influence over the Virginia-based firm. Though the popular Bitcoin advocate is no longer CEO, MicroStrategy has not changed its stance on the flagship cryptocurrency. According to recent filings with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, MicroStrategy is about to sell up to $500 million in Class A shares. The September 9 filing also reveals that the shares will be sold via Cowen & Co. and BTIG, LLC, two prominent investment banks that work on crypto-related stocks. The software company will use the proceeds from the sale to acquire more Bitcoin and develop the software business. MicroStrategy is currently the public company with the largest Bitcoin holding, and more purchases will only help to strengthen its holdings and reputation in the crypto community. The move will also bolster market sentiments, especially with Bitcoin closing in on its highest price in a month. Since it adopted its Bitcoin strategy in 2020, MicroStrategy has spent almost $4 billion to acquire a total of 129,699 Bitcoin. And it is about to spend even more. In its filing, the firm stated, "We intend to use the net proceeds from this offering for general corporate purposes, including the acquisition of Bitcoin." So while we can't be sure exactly how much of this fundraise will go specifically to purchasing digital gold, we can hazard a guess that it won't be a trivial amount. It went further by stating, "Our Bitcoin acquisition strategy involves acquiring Bitcoin with our liquid assets that exceed working capital requirements and from time to time, subject to market conditions, issuing debt or equity securities or engaging in other capital-raising transactions with the objective of using the proceeds to purchase Bitcoin." The filing did not include a specific sale date, but the announcement seems to have excited investors. On Monday, following the announcement and recent gains in Bitcoin prices, MicroStrategy shares surged to over $265, a 16% increase in the past week. If MicroStrategy raises $500 million in the stock offering, it would be able to purchase around 25,000 Bitcoin at current prices. And this won't be the last Bitcoin purchase for the Virginia-based company. Here's a statement to that effect as stipulated in the company's prospectus summary. MicroStrategy pursues two corporate strategies in the operation of its business. One strategy is to acquire and hold Bitcoin, and the other strategy is to grow our enterprise analytics software business. We believe that undertaking these two interdependent corporate strategies serves as a key differentiator for our business, as our Bitcoin acquisition strategy has raised our profile with potential software customers, while our enterprise analytics software business has provided stable cash flows that allow us to acquire and hold Bitcoin for the long term.
Today's episode is sponsored by iTrustCapital, the #1 crypto IRA platform in America. We allow you to invest in your favorite cryptocurrencies without worrying about taxes. That's right, iTrustCapital allows you to buy and sell your favorite cryptocurrencies completely tax-free. That means if you invest $10,000 into Cardano and it grows to $100,000, all of your profits are tax-free. Why is it tax-free? We took the existing retirement account industry and flipped it on its head. Instead of boring stocks and bonds, you can invest in crypto. How is it secured? Through Coinbase Custody, one of the leading cold storage providers with a $320 million insurance policy to protect against theft, hacks, and loss of funds. Roll over your existing retirement account, or even start a new one from scratch. Questions? Schedule a free call with one of our crypto retirement account specialists, and they can help you discuss your options. Start your crypto IRA today and retire early, only at iTrustCapital. Click the link in the description to open a free account now.
In other news, the next Bitcoin halving might be coming sooner than expected. According to reports, the hash power behind the Bitcoin network has been higher than usual, meaning block intervals are speeding up too. On September 4, the hash rate tapped an all-time high of 301.45 exahashes per second at block height, 752,510. Though it has since dropped, block times have been much faster than the 10-minute average. When block times are faster than the 10-minute average and remain consistently faster during the 2 weeks before a difficulty adjustment, mining difficulty increases. This occurred on August 31, and the largest cryptocurrency network had its second largest difficulty increase in 2022. The increase in difficulty made it 11.63% harder for miners to find a Bitcoin block reward. On September 11, the average block time was less than 8 minutes. If this continues, then the halving could come faster than the present estimate. However, the halving is still at least 18 months away, and the data could change before then. But for now, data from BitcoinCensus.com and NiceHash.com show that Bitcoin's next halving, the fourth ever, will occur in March 2024, 2 months before the earlier estimate of May 3, 2024. According to the counter on Bitcoin Census, the new date is based on the current block times of 8.50 minutes. The halving slashes Bitcoin's block reward, and the next halving will reduce it from the current 6.25 Bitcoin per block to 3.125 coins per block. Apart from the cap supply is another important metric that ensures Bitcoin's scarcity, and it typically increases the crypto asset's value. The sooner it comes, the faster we can expect more price increases. What do you think about MicroStrategy's plans to buy more Bitcoin despite the price declines? Please drop your comments and observations in the comments section below, and don't forget to hit the like button. If you are not already subscribed, then hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications for more crypto-related videos. Thanks for watching.